we have another very exciting product at Roller Ramp. That is the ability to split any length ramp very quickly using pins. I will demonstrate. I have the pins. I have one. Now I have two. So this makes it very easy and very light, so anybody can handle any length ramp. When I'm ready to set it up, I simply reverse the process. See if I can do this here. I have the ramp set up. So you can see it makes the ability to handle any length ramp. You can put these pins anywhere. For example, I could separate this ramp into 3 or more pieces, so it's very easy to set up and take down with no tools. Thank you.